How incredible these things are, because they're giant bubbles. And although the theory of making them is pretty easy, the practice is a bit more difficult. Still, here's how you go about it. First of all, you need a hoop, and this one started life as a coat hanger, and that's about the size of wire you need, coat hanger wire. In fact, I've bent this one into a hoop and twisted the handle up, and the hoop is about the size of my fully extended hand. It's a good one to start with, that. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the bubble, but the harder it is to get the bubble to form. So make a hoop about the size of your extended hand, and that's the first bit. The second bit is the bubble mix, and I can't give you a recipe because detergents vary in strength all over the world. Still, this one works for me. Get a jar and put in some water, then you add a lot of detergent and lots of glycerin, because the glycerin gives the bubble strength and also beautiful colours. And I'm afraid it's just a matter of experimenting with your mix to see how it works. Well, this one I think will work for me. It's got a bit of froth on it, and you don't want that, so don't stir it up more than you have to, but pour it into a receptacle that actually takes your hoop. This one is an oven tray, and despite its rather scungy appearance, it really is grease-free, and you need that because grease will interfere with the surface tension that's quite crucial in forming the bubble. Well, that's a thickness that's not very great, but it's quite enough to submerge the loop in. And as I pick the loop up, you'll see it's got a bubble film across it. There we go. Big, thick film, just burst then. We'll pick it up sideways. There we are, there's the film, you can see it shimmering there. And to make the bubble, hold it flat as long as you can, and then sweep it sideways through the air. Not bad. Nearly made it. You might actually hear these things pop. The bubble film is so strong it snaps. Let's try again. Little whip crack of sound, like a tired balloon. They don't come easily, but when they come, they're very beautiful and very dramatic. There we are, a big shimmering giant bubble. You can see the colours given by the glycerin. You get the idea. They don't work every time, and here's the best technique I've found. Get the loop well and truly submerged. Once you pick it up, don't hang about. Lift it up sideways and move it straight away and cut it off, almost like a whip crack, underneath itself. Occasionally they'll work. Like that. See how you get on.